All right, we are going to model, let's do 246 plus, gee whiz, 78. All right, so there's our problem, 246 plus 78. So we are not going to use the standard algorithm. Rather, what we're going to do is we're going to use the place value disks. So I'm going to show you what that looks like. So we're going to create a place value chart, 100s, 10s, and 1s. And we need to go into the hundreds because we have 246. Now, to model 246, we're going to model 2 in the hundreds column. We're going to model 4 in the tens column because we have 40, so that's 4 tens. And then we're going to model 6 in the ones column. So there's our 246. Now we're going to do the same thing with 78. We don't need to do anything in the hundreds column. We only need to do stuff in the tens column and the ones column, right? So let's do our sevens. 7 tens, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's our 7 tens for 70. Now we have to do our 8 ones, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for the 8 right here in 78. Now we need to remember that addition means we're going to combine and we're going to push together all of these dots. And then the other thing we need to remember is that anytime you have 10 dots in one column, you can cache it in for 1 dot in the column to the left. If you have 10 dots, you can cache them in for 1 dot in the column to the left. All right, so let's do it. Let's check it out. So it looks like we have enough dots to cache them in. Let's make sure. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. These 10 dots is enough to cache it in and give us a new dot in the tens column. So what do we have left here? We have 4 ones left over. So I'm going to write that down here, but I'm also going to put it right here. We have 4 dots left over in the ones column, and we have a brand new one in the tens column. So I'm going to put that right here. So we have a brand new one. So this dot is this 1. These 4 dots left over is this 4 right here. Now let's look at our tens column. Do we have enough dots to cache in? Do we have 10 dots that we can cache in? Let's find out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yes we do. So there is our 10 dots that we can cache in for a brand new 100. So 10 tens equals a brand new 100. And what are we left with in the tens column? In the tens column, we're left with these 2 tens, and we have a brand new 100. So what are we going to do over here? We have 2 tens left over, and we have a brand new 100. This new dot is this 1. These 2 dots left over is this 2 tens. Now, we obviously don't have enough hundreds to cache it in for 1,000. We just have 3 hundreds left over, 1, 2, 3, and that's all there is to it. So we can just write it down right here, and that wraps it up. Now let's see if I could do this. Let's see. That wraps up how to add using the place value disk.